friends, welcome to Vidyatek. This is Sai Prakash. This video is all about sparing a number in 2 seconds. Friends, we are writing the competitive exam. Getting the right answer anyway is not important than getting the right answer in less time. So we have come up with the speed math tricks. Make sure that you are going to train yourself to do fast calculations. Friends, in the previous videos I have taken base 10 and base hundreds. If you want to know about that, please go to the previous videos. In this video I would like to take base 20. We are going to speak about bases only on the method 1, friends. Okay. Let me take 23 square. Okay. Method 1. Okay, I am going to take 20 base ones. 23 cross 23. Taken number minus base. Okay. I am going to get plus 3. Make sure the sign, friends. Sign is very important. Okay. Again, take a number minus 20. We will get plus 3. 23 minus 20. Okay. Then I am going to multiply 3 cross 3. I will get 9. Okay. I am going to add these two. 23 plus 3. You will get 26. I am going to add these two. 23 plus 3. 26. And I am going to multiply 26 with the base. 26 cross 20. I am going to get 520. And I am going to add this 9 to the 520. I will get 529. Okay. Rather than multiplying 26 with the base directly, I am going to directly multiply with the 2, because here you have 0. If I take 9 as directly, then if I multiply 26 with 2, I am going to get 52 only. I will just write like this, 529. Okay, rather than multiplying 20 times, I am going to multiply with the 2 times, and I am going to drop the 9 over here directly. Okay. I am going to take method 2, friends, right now. Okay. Same 23 square I am going to do in the method 2. We know a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Please follow in this pattern only, friends. Okay. If you have doubts, please comment in the comment box. Okay. Then I am going to split this into 2 parts. I am taking first part value as a and second part value as b. Okay. A square, that is 2 square. 2 square equal to 4. 2 cross a cross b. Okay. 2 into a equal to b equal to 3. 2 into 3. Coming to b square. B square means 3 square. That is equivalent to 9. 2 cross 2, 4. 4 cross 3. That is equivalent to 12. Okay. 4, 12 and 9. On the right side, that is b value, you are having only 1 digit. So, you have to take 1 digit. Okay. Here also you have to take 1 digit. Okay. Leftover 1, we have to forward the carry to this. 4 plus 1, 5. 529. 529. You can do in any of the method, friends. Okay. Friends, with the same base 20, I am going to do 26 square. Okay. Coming to the method 1. I am taking 20 base over here, friends. Okay. Base 20. 26 cross 26. Okay. Taken number minus base. 26 minus 20. I am going to get plus 6. Sign is very important, friends. Okay. 26 minus 20. This 26 minus base. I am going to get plus 6. Okay. I am going to multiply 6 times 6. I am going to get 36. Okay. And I am going to add 26 plus 6. I will get 32. And again this 26 plus 6, I am going to get 30. This 26 plus 6, I will get 30. Okay, and I am going to multiply 32 times 20. Okay, I will get 640. I am going to add 36 directly to the 640. Okay, 640 plus 36, I will get 676. Friends, rather than multiplying 32 with the base, you can multiply 32 times 2. Okay, because you are having 0, right? 0 plus 6, you are going to get 6 directly. Okay, I am multiplying 32 with the 2 directly. Okay, I will get 64. Okay, after that I am going to add 36 over here, leaving 1 digit over here. Okay, 676. By leaving 1 digit, friends, make sure that one, because you are having only 1 0 to the base. Okay, if you have 2 zeros for the base like 100, 200, if you take like that, then you have to leave 2 digits. Okay, here you have only 1 digit, so I am taking 1 digit left. And coming to the method 2, I am doing 26 square in the method 2, friends. Okay, we know formula a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, you have to follow the very same pattern. Okay, don't interchange the terms. Friends, in this I am going to split into 2 parts. Okay, first part value is a and second part value is b. Therefore a equal to 2 and b equal to 6. Okay, a square means 2 square. 2 square equal to 4. 2 cross a cross b. 2 cross 2 cross 6. And here we go. B square, that is 6 square, equivalent to 36. 4. 2 cross 2, 4. 4 cross 6, 24. And 36. On the right side you are having only 1 digit. That is b value is 1 digit. So you have to take only 1 digit, 6. I am forwarding this 3 to 24. I am going to get 27. I have to take only 1 digit, so 7. I am forwarding this 2 to 4. I will get 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 676. Same, 676, 676. Okay, you can do any of the method based on your problem you have to do. Okay, friends, I want you to do 24 square, 29 square and 27 square. Okay, please comment the answer in the comment box, friends. Please do by using both the methods. Friends, if you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box, or you can use the group link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video, and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video, friends.